Did you know that for the price of one of these engines, you can actually buy 2 Coleman mini dirt bikes? And if you follow the proper break-in maintenance procedures and proper installation and all that good stuff, you won't have to spend money on this bad boy, and you can get you a couple of them bad boys. Now, that's just the price of the engine. That's not including the shipping, the tax, and the labor to remove your what should have been under warranty engine and install a new one. So I think there's a few things that you should know. Let's go over a few things. So let me guess, you got an uncle named Chuck. He may have a truck, and he says, hey, I can change the oil for you. Or you go with cheaper guy who does oil changes on Generacs for 180 bucks. I get it, but there's a little more to it than just changing the oil. And if you refer to your owner's manual, you will see that the oil does need to be changed at the first 25 hours. It's a break-in maintenance, along with valve adjustment. Under these valve covers, that's where the magic happens. That's also where the nightmare happens. And if you want to stay away from purchasing one of these, and like I said, purchase a couple of these bad boys, it's pretty fun. Please wear your helmet. You should go buy the book, okay? Because the first thing that Generac asks me when there's a major repair, engine, rotor, stator, they want to see the maintenance records. I know this because I have to provide them all the time, and we do. And then they send me an engine, and then we come and put it in. They also want to see installation pictures. Is it too close to a window? Is it closer than 3 feet from a wall or a fence or something? Okay, this is where you're going to run into problems. And this is why going with a skilled professional like Gentex Elite Services is very important, and I'd love to help you. And if you've had a Generac installed by somebody else, we can still work on it. Yes, you could get Handy Andy or Chuck in a truck to work on it, but then it's up to you to argue with Generac if they will even talk to you. We have everything on hand to fix these, to maintain them. We'll even pet your dog. I love dogs. I even love cats. I'm a little scared of spiders. Reptiles are pretty cool too. Can't wait to see you. Take care, guys.